Ground control to CogDogDrone. You're clear for liftoff, and please commence your flight. Hello, ground control. This is CogDog. I am commencing liftoff, and we're about to do our farm circuit. Are we tracking correctly? Ground control. All systems are go, and you look like your revving is proper, and you are clear now to gain more altitude. Ground control, this is CogDogDrone. Increasing altitude. We're lifting off, and I can see the front yard now. Looks pretty good. There's a dog down there. And gonna circle around a little bit to elevate up to clear the house. This is ground control. Your flight plan is correct. Remember to try to get a full sampling of the land as requested by the flight master. Roger that, ground control. This is CogDog. I am now, we're zooming out now to head towards the garden. It looks like this year, from up here, things look really good. There's not too many weeds. I'm going to do a low flyby to get a look very closely, and then we will go up higher to get a full flight. This is a good plan, ground control. This is ground control to CogDogDrone. We suggest that you do at least 3 transversals and then a high altitude full shot to get the all full data. Roger that, ground control. All engines go. Systems are good. Operating still at 90% battery. We are clear, and now circling around the garden one more time. My, look at that. That looks really good. That's impressive. And now I'm going to make a pinpoint to zoom to the east end of the property, get an overlook of the slough and the trees on the edge. This is ground control, CogDogDrone. You are clear to proceed with that flight plan. Please keep us posted. Ground control, now hovering over the slough. We're going to zoom in. Look at that. The water levels look fairly good. And now I'm going to, banking left and then banking right. Going to elevate. Got to get, watch that branch. Okay, coming up, and we are now in flight line over the trees, and then we'll be heading west at the corner of the property. We do ground control. This is CogDogDrone. This is ground control. We are tracking, and all systems are clear. You should keep an eye on your flight gauge and don't do any risky maneuvers. Ground control. This is CogDog. It's clear. I don't really think of myself as a risky pilot. Okay, now we're coming over. We're going to get a flyover of the barn. Since the owners have put on a new metal roof. And look at that, it's shiny, and we can even see the weather station on top. Now I am close, I am over the barn, and I am dropping in for a few close-ups so we can see the detail work. Look at those seams. Ground control, this is ground control, CogDogDrone. Your data is coming in clean, and it looks like we are getting this full transmission. Please do at least a full circumference of the barn and then proceed over to the front property. Got that, ground control. This is CogDogDrone. We're coming around now to the east side of the barn. Going to be dropping in. It looks like, I've never tried this, but, I saw this film by this gardener guy, and he flew between houses. I'm going to see. I bet I know I can maneuver. We got enough clearance. It'll be tight, but I'm going to fly through the barn to see what it's like to fly through there. Take note of that, ground control. CogDogDrone, this is ground control. This is highly unusual. We do not recommend this flight pattern. We do not recommend this flight pattern. You are in danger of not following flight pattern regulations. Ground control, this is CogDogDrone. I'm not really getting a transmission, but I'm going into the barn right now. I'm dropping. I am full freight. I can see all the way through. I'm coming into the barn right now. I am inside the barn. We have never flown here. And look, what is that down on the floor? I'm tilting tilting cameras down, there is something alive. It's orange. It's a cat. That's the cat Crookshanks looking up. I'm taking pictures. I'm getting full detail of this. Ground control, you're not going to believe this unbelievable footage. They're going to be so impressed. CogDogDrone, report back to base. Excavate yourself from the barn immediately. This is unsafe flying. You are in danger of losing your license. Ground control, this is CogDogDrone. I just have to say, I'm going through, I can see now that there's the stairs at the other end. I might have to maneuver a little bit more to the... CogDogDrone, this is ground control. CogDogDrone, ground control. We are not receiving. You are, apparently our altimeter says you are on the ground. You have crashed the drone. CogDogDrone, CogDogDrone, are you alive? CogDogDrone, return, speak. CogDogDrone, you are down, you are crashed. Emergency crews are being evacuated. Stand by. Please check your fire extinguishers and make sure there is no damage. CogDogDrone, do not worry about the penalties for this. We will deal with this later. Ground control out.